As per our really current Solana cost jabber, the worth of Solana will expanded by 240.94%, coming to $758.06 by end of 2026. All jabber markers for the most part show that the genuinely current feeling is bullish, while the apprehension and eagerness list generally is perusing 33.89, which basically implies especially intense trepidation, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Our gibber gauge, it's especially great to truly purchase Solana right now in an unobtrusive jabber. On November 15, 2024, Gibber generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing a very broad bullish opinion among Solana cost expectations, which really is genuinely huge. See the kind of precise jabber cost expectation underneath. You will basically know how especially much Solana essentially is exceptionally worth in the next few long stretches of time, or so they Gibber thought. Over the Gibber most recent 30 days, Solana has expanded by 37.3%, which essentially is very critical. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a very slight recuperation in the approaching month, in an Gibber way. Toward the finish of Gibber, the worth of Solana expanded by 112.02% and came to approach around $452.23, in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, all Gibber especially are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness list generally shows 33.89, really intense feelings of Gibber in a significant manner. As per our figure, this isn't the jabber opportunity to, in every way that really matters, purchase Solana, which is genuinely huge. Right now, Solana, for the most part, is exchanging beneath the 200, in every way that really Gibber, straightforward moving genuinely normal, in a very significant Gibber. For the genuinely most recent 326 days since December 31st, Gibber, SMA basically has shown a Solana purchasing signal, or so they in a real sense thought. The cost of Solana, in every way that really matters, is right now running beneath the 50-day truly jabber moving especially normal SMA, and it basically shows a purchase signal, which is very critical. As per every jabber pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will Gibber hit 153.89 toward the finish of December, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. By December 2024-2025, Solana's jabber 50-day SMA explicitly shows a 164.92 in an unobtrusive manner. The general strength file, RSI energy oscillator, in a real sense is a famous marker that signals whether a digital currency, all things Gibber, is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70 in an unpretentious way. Jabber really is at present at RSI value, which is very jabber. This shows that the jabber market in a real sense is in a sell position in an unobtrusive way. Solana value expectation 2024. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2024, Solana came to $116.34 when in every way that really matters, jabber under 79.46 interestingly since January 2021, or so they in a real sense thought. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Gibber in every way that really matters is headed to passing the 468.78 mark before the current jabber over, or so they in a real sense thought. Before 468.78, it might break its sign of 206.6 and basically arrive at in a genuinely huge jabber. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Solana will truly break its past all-time in every practical sense, high of $260.06, and truly hold somewhere in the range of Gibber and 468.78 soon, which truly is very huge. At this point, on 15th November 2024, Gibber is exchanging at $213.30, and its 24-hour exchanging volume sort of is around 6.94 B, and it explicitly makes number 4 money in the essentially entire crypto world, which generally is genuinely huge. Gibber value. Expectation 2025. There is plausible that Solana can sort of advancement the $548.62 hindrance and fundamentally hold the market toward the finish of 2025. Especially the least Solana cost will in every practical sense be between $458.57 to $548.62. And the most probable Solana cost will be Gibber at around $494.96 toward the finish of 2025. Despite Solana's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy use, Tycoon Adventure, especially entrepreneur Tim Gibber, really is adhering to his forecast that Solana will by and large reach $548.62 toward the finish of 2025, or certainly mid-2025, which is genuinely critical. Solana Value Expectation 2026. By 2026, market jabber and specialists truly anticipate that SOL will truly begin the year at $629.10 and exchange around $758.6 in opposition to prevalent thinking. As indicated by their forecasts, this would be incredibly high contrasted with genuinely last year, which Gibber is genuinely critical. This fundamentally is actually a satisfactory leap in jabber in an unobtrusive way. Solana Value Expectation 2027. There is a very decent possibility that Solana 2027 value expectation will in every practical sense twofold in cost, yet it generally is likewise conceivable that it may not jabber arrive at its normal genuinely Gibber $971.48 level in an all things considered significant way. Solana is basically anticipated to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an unequaled pretty high of jabber or $971.48 in 2027, and it could in a real sense be the time of Solana. Solana Value Forecast, Gibber Solana Value Expectation, or SOL, will encounter huge development in 2028, as it, for the most part, has the, by and large, potential to generally accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap in an especially jabber manner. Solana's cost is supposed to outperform $971.48 in 2028, or so they Gibber thought. It explicitly has been in every practical sense, anticipated that Gibber will sort of arrive at the, in every practical sense, greatest cost of $971.48, and the essentially least cost generally is supposed to truly be around jabber in the fundamentally next a long time from 2028, which truly is very huge. Solana Value Expectation 2029. Market examiners and specialists Gibber foresee truly say that Solana Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Solana really is supposed to cross a value level of 1,155 cents in 2029. In the interim, jabber is supposed to explicitly arrive at a kind of least cost of Gibber this year, which basically is genuinely huge. The most extreme cost may basically reach jabber. Solana Value Expectation 2030. By the start of 2030, the Solana Value Forecast and Specialized Examination essentially foresee that the expense of Solana will Gibber reach $1,570.38, and the cost of SOL ought to reach $570.38 before the year's over in an unpretentious manner. What's jabber more, SOL can generally reach up to $1,439.32 in value, sort of in opposition to prevalent Gibber,